Hi guys, another rubber band powered car. This one uses torsion instead of tension. In other words, we twist the rubber bands rather than stretch them. It has an inherent drawback in that it's one of these ones that you can't freewheel. When it gets to the end of its run, it winds itself up backwards and then it comes back towards you. But we'll just run over what we've got here. Front end I've used before on previous projects. 3D printed, CDs for wheels, bamboo cane or barbecue skewer for the axle, and my 3D printed hubs that fit inside the CDs nicely. So that's that end. And a bit of dowel at the back end here. We got this fork thing, 3D printed of course. That's just so we can stretch rubber bands across the back. Then we've got this reel or drum that did have my 3D filament on it, PLA. So I've put a spike down through the middle of it. Well, it's actually a bit of bicycle spoke, so that when we turn it round, it twists the rubber band, or rubber bands. It's about 10 of them there. So that's where we're getting our torsion. And then when we let go, it goes the other way. But when it's gone all the other way, it winds itself up backwards and then the car will come back towards us. So it's not a very practical car. It's just, I was about to throw out that reel and I thought, can I do anything with it? So that's what we're doing. So we'll give it a run, see how far we can get it to go. To wind it up, we just wind it backwards. Point it in the right general direction and hope for the best. As I say, not very practical. So we had wheel spin to begin with because it was too much power, and then it didn't go very far before it started coming back again. I'll see if I can chase it this time. Camera ready. Yeah, I don't think we got much hope of it doing the full distance because we get too much wheel spin when it starts. We just haven't got the grip. I could try one of my rubber mats under it just to give us a bit of extra grip. Right, a grippy rubber mat. I doubt whether we'll even get to the old doorway there. Oh, we went offline then, you might notice. We'll give it another try. but it looked like it was about to stop anyway. Well, sorry about spinning you around like that, but yeah, that's from over there to here is about 5 meters minus the length of the car, although it did go past. So yeah, it probably did 5 meters before it came backwards. So not very practical, but I've made it and it sort of works. So that'll do.